Yeah, all tech is dead. Look at all this scary shit.
You think Karolinko's on that plane?
Maybe. We gotta stop it either way. Right. We're never all gonna get in there with all that coverage. We'll suppress them. You move up, we'll follow. ASAP.
doing? You look good.
That's real funny, Marlowe. If we don't die out here, I'm fixing.
Follow me. Come on. Go, go, go. Up the ladder. Go, go, go. Get away. Move.
It was a long night. Waiting, planning. But that thing about always darkest before the dawn? Sometimes you just need to turn on a light.
Preston, knife the guard. Take his weapon. Go.
Я обслужил разведсводки, как говорят.
Crap, go. Press. Take the shot. Take the shot.
Let go. Weapons. Almost no ammo, though.
Me too. God damn it.
Shit, stay low. More guys. Я обслужил разведсводки.
It'd take an act of God to get through that, or a... All right, enough of this sneaky shit.
That's it. Move up.
They're behind this door.
We're breaching and you're up point.
Taking fire! Shit! Push on, damn it! There's no place to hide here.
There it is, the cockpit! Finally! Holy shit! Whoa, coming apart!
Where the hell is Kirilenko?
We're about 130 clicks outside of Texas, closing fast. Sarge, we are out of time.
Gentlemen, all the compound you have given me will shield us from the blast. Oh, and for that, I'm very grateful. Enjoy.
It's not entirely true we could get into the weapons room, is it?
Well, no, but
Ah, fuck it already. Retirement would have been born anyway.
You are too late. We are nearly at 0 point.
I don't think so. Do it.
What? What are you doing?
Get back, boys.
hey, it's showtime.
Marlo, you can do this. All right, let's get the hell out of this thing.
This fucking thing's going down! Come on! Where'd your leg go? Go, go, go!
When the moon goes down in the valley of time, talking about time. When the sun, yes, the sun refused to
We're in Texas, home sweet home!
Okay. I guess I had to visit sooner or later. Oh, man, what are we gonna do now? Sarge? You ain't saying much.
Oh, I think you gotta ask Marlo here. Thanks to him, I'm officially retired.
Yeah, hell of a job, Marlo.
Me? Shucks, Sweets, what about you?
Oh, I don't know. It was cool, but, you know, this special ops shit, not my style.
Well, now we need to party, and I know an establishment you're gonna love. There's this girl called Chantel, and she can
Squad, Ted, hut.
Gentlemen,
Sir,
at ease. You have the heartfelt thanks of the United States government. Now, I'm sorry as hell to say this, but I need you all to come with me.
but why, sir?
The Russians, they're invading.
Sir. No, they're not, sir. We just blew up that fucking ultimate weapon of theirs. P.S. Invasion canceled, sir.
Not here. They're coming in through Alaska.
Alaska?
There are times it sucks to be right.